Hey, let's talk about some of the names that you're long, because I was looking through the list, and it's interesting. You've got some stocks like Microsoft, which is reporting next week and which have done so well and been on this tear. But you're also long a lot of the financials, names like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley. And those are some of the stocks that have not gotten the love lately. How do you kind of describe your investing sentiment at this point, or what you really think is working?
Well, in the last 5 days, financials have actually outperformed. Technology's down 1% as a sector in the last 5 days. Financials are up 8%. JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, they're all posting 9 to 10% returns over the last 5 days. So they're following through on their earnings. In the case of JP Morgan, it's clearly best in breed, and they've utilized technology, and that's being very advantageous right now for them to connect with their customers. But Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs, Becky, that's about the trading environment. And you saw that this morning with the results that BlackRock is posting. We've never had volatility as high as it is, with the S&P also at a very high price. So I think the active management trading environment is going to remain very favorable, and that's why I have allocations towards Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley. And I'm very happy with this week. Becky, we have a chance here if we're able to close the S&P above 32.31. That will be the first weekly close where the S&P has closed higher on the year since the week in February when we made the all-time high.
Are those trade secrets on that whiteboard behind you?
Haha. So I've been keeping a journal as this crisis from COVID-19 has unfolded, and I keep a technical chart. I keep track of the debt markets. I keep my positions. And then over my other shoulder, those are the numbers, sports numbers of my children, which I've retired.
Oh, I love that. That is really good. Love the sports numbers. Joe, very quickly, what do you want to hear next week from the companies that are reporting?
Well, Microsoft clearly is the big one. I think technology, unfortunately, there's an overconcentration. We kind of need to relax that overconcentration. These are the very important positions. Everyone is long. So the expectations are incredibly high. Don't be surprised by pullbacks in these stocks. You're probably going to get them. I wouldn't jump right into them if you're not in them. But it will be a pause that ultimately will refresh for technology.